I'm sorry, my friend. But still, that's my cousin. But still, that he's my cousin. I'm gonna go drunk creative mode now. Beat it. No, you wanna be just beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. Oh, big, beat it, beat it. So, ready? Are you guys ready for my Filipino speak? Let's go. So, magkakarap lang tayo dito. So, let's go, guys. Dito na tayo. Gagawa lang ako dito. Pinsan ko yun eh. Okay. Like this. Ganito ang bowl-ups. Tapos, let's go, guys. Like that, I'm gonna go build another house here. Nah, not a house. Just a zoo. A zoo. A zoo. Let's go, guys. There. Okay, so maghanap tayo dito. Wala dito. Wala dito. Oh my goodness. Let's go, guys. Where is it? Where is it? I found it! Let's go, guys. So, malaki na ito sa 4 animals. Beat it, beat it. If I could see everybody fucking that, I could be my dad, 1985. My dad, 1985. My brother, 1985. Let's go, guys. This looks fun. Not that one. Sit there on that. Panda, panda, panda. Oh, cute little panda. Oh, not this panda, not this panda. You're adult. I'm sorry I killed your mom. Holy moly. I think I'm a panda lover. I love baby panda more than adults. So, tara guys. Let's go. Got a cow, pig, sheep, poor. Poor, my favorite. Oh my goodness. It's my father again. He's super dumb. Don't worry about him, guys. He will be fine. Yeah. Oh my goodness. No, let me spawn the polar bear. Let's go get. Oh my. Yes, sir. Wolf. I need more space. Let me break you out, little guy, buddy. Let me go there and see what's this new keeper, buddy. Alright, buddy. You can go first. Alright, buddy. Just wait your zookeeper, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here. I'm gonna go buy some bamboo. Bamboo. Bam. Bam. Bamboo. Here we go. What is bamboo? Here we go. Bamboo. Feed it to you. Feed. Finally. Finally, you're adult now. Let's go. Back. ROPE. Rope. Are you kidding me? Oh, there's no rope here or something. Oh my gosh. I think this is a fake game. And now my fun dice right there. Come on here, little guy. Oh, sorry, Mr. Polar Bear. Let me find the rope. Let me find it. It's lead. I'm sorry to hurt you. Sorry. Come back there, little guy. Come back there, big boy. You have super. You you are you are super fat, just like my mom. I think he's not fat. I think he's pregnant. Mom, are you fat? Mom, mommy, are you fat? Are you fat?
What?
Are you fat?
No, I'm not.
Why are you look like that if you're not fat?
Oh, because of your
Oh, I have a little sister.
because of our baby. We don't know yet if she's a sister or she's a brother. Oh, we don't know yet.
What if he is my twin?
Twin troll.
My twin. This is my name. Marshmallow is my name. Let me feed you. Ooh. That got too hot. So sorry that I gotta hurt you.
Tara! Punta kami doon sa SM. Ano, ganyan, tablet. Joy, diyan ka na muna, Joy.
Ingat po.
We have a whole zoo with my favorite animal, red panda. So guys, this is my zoo. Look at that. And here is my favorite part. Namin school. Nagsulat po kami. What po? I have word 10. I think he needs a new spot. Nah, it's fine. Okay. Let's go put some seeds. Pumpkin seed, pumpkin. And we need water too. Let's go, guys. Water bucket. And let me put it like this. Netherite. Like that. Put this in the pumpkin. So let's go grab some bread and baked potato. Wait me guys there, okay? I'm gonna wear some armor. I have a cool trick, guys. So first, this is the cool bedrock. Oh my gosh. Why guys, why? Oh well. Oh well. I have an idea, guys. Try open this for my portal to the nether.
Ikaw na lang bahala dyan, Yote. Sabi sa kanila.
So guys, now let me craft a portal.